The effects of insurgency in the northeast continue to bite hard on people affected, even as a survey conducted in March this year by the Food and Agriculture Organization and Federal Ministry of Agriculture says about 5.2 million people are struggling with high levels of food insecurity in Adamawa, Borno and Yobe states. But that is about to change with the flagging off ceremony for the distribution of farm inputs, which the FAO says it's assisting about 41,000 rural households targeted at returning IDPs living in host communities in the 3 affected northeast states, starting with Adamawa. The FAO country representative gave reasons for the choice of the farm inputs.
To empower households of IDPs, returnees and the host families also to get their own food production during the rainy season.
The beneficiaries present at the event received the farm inputs such as maize, cowpea, assorted vegetable seeds and fertilizer. An appeal goes out to the beneficiaries not to divert the farm inputs for other uses.
We used to realize a lot of problems there. So we want to advise that this seed should be used quickly for agriculture, for planting. It's for planting, not for direct food.
They have lost everything. It is going to be a very big assistance in their lives. When they plant these seeds and apply this fertilizer, we believe, since it has been distributed at the right time when seeds are being planted.
One of the beneficiaries appreciates the FAO for its assistance.
We thank you on behalf of all the women and other beneficiaries for this great favor you brought to us in our local government. As you return, kindly extend our appreciation to all other organizations that made this possible.
We are targeting IDPs to empower this household, to relieve this household. They are beginning into now recovery. They are getting into the recovery phase. So now agricultural livelihoods are really the best way to go through recovery, to fight hunger.
Indeed, the IDPs can now look forward to sustaining themselves as recovery efforts are ongoing by the FAO and other international donor agencies to help solve the challenge of food insecurity and malnutrition.